Hello there, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can increase or decrease your lot size on MT5 or MetaTrader 5. So this is the app and this is a PC app, a computer app. So this is not a mobile tutorial. So this will be your dashboard, or if you have multiple charts, let's say that I have multiple charts as you can see here, and I can change or I can just arrange them this way. So I have this chart, I have this chart. So if I need to place a trade here, I can just tap on this icon. You can see an icon here. And after tapping on that icon, I have an option to sell and buy. So here is where I can increase my lot size, and here is where I can decrease my lot size. And it is just similar for that. It is just the same for this one. I can just tap on this and then I can just increase the lot size, and I can still decrease the lot size. So that is it. Or if I just see this chart is just disturbing, I have a video that shows you how you can change this chart. So thanks for watching. If you don't have a broker, I have a full list in the description. So check them out and sign up. Thanks for watching.